Ever wondered what secrets the universe is hiding just out of sight? Well, buckle up, because today I'm diving headfirst into the 5 most mind-bending theories about the mysterious planet Nibiru, the so-called planet of doom. Theory number 1. Nibiru is a rogue planet barreling straight toward Earth. Some conspiracy theorists swear it's on a collision course, set to bring about an apocalypse. NASA? They call it pure fiction, but that hasn't stopped the rumors from spiraling out of control. Number 2. Nibiru as the legendary home of the Anunnaki gods. Ancient Sumerian texts allegedly describe a distant world of powerful alien beings who once visited Earth. Did these cosmic travelers shape human history, or is it all just ancient myth-making? Coming in at 3, governments are hiding the truth. Secret files, shadowy leaks. Some believers insist there's undeniable proof of Nibiru's existence, locked away in classified vaults. But if that's true, what are they so desperate to keep from us? 4th on the list. Nibiru triggered past mass extinctions. According to some theorists, its bizarre looping orbit brings it dangerously close to Earth every few thousand years, unleashing chaos and destruction. Could this be the missing link behind the world's biggest die-offs? And finally, Theory 5. Nibiru is hiding right behind the sun. This one's wild. People actually believe it's perfectly camouflaged, invisible to our telescopes, silently watching us from the cosmic shadows. So, after all that, do you think Nibiru is real, or just a cosmic myth? Drop your wildest theories in the comments and let's see who's brave enough to look beyond the stars.